How long does a hair transplant take, and what's the recovery? How long does it take for hair to start growing? Dr. Ennis here at Ennis Plastic Surgery in Boca Raton, Florida. Patients often ask, how long does a hair transplant take? What does I have to go to sleep? What's the anesthesia? How long is it going to take for the hair to start growing back in? Well, with a hair transplant, we're moving single hairs. We numb up the scalp. The whole process to move anywhere from 1,000, 2,000, even more hairs can take 6-8 hours to do because it's a tedious process. So we're moving one hair at a time. But we give you a little Valium. You're hanging out, watching TV, listening to some music. It's really not a difficult process. Not a lot of pain involved at all, other than a little numbing medicine, which is really no different than going to the desk. Then how long does it take to recovery? Well, you're going to be a little swollen in the beginning. Your eyes will be a little puffy the first day or two, but you can put on a loose ball cap the next day and be out and about. Certainly within 3 to 4 days with a loose hat on. You don't want to put a tight hat on because you can affect the blood supply and the growth of the hair. But a loose ball cap, you're out and about in 2-3 days the most. Feel pretty comfortable being out and about without a hat on, probably in 1.5 to 2 weeks because there's some little scabs on the scalp where we put these hairs in. Donor site from the back where we get the hair is those little spots healed up. We do them with a neograft, so there's no scar. There's no linear scar like they used to be with the hair transplant. So no scar in the back, put the hairs back on the front. Those scabs will be gone, like I said, 1.5 to 2 weeks. You feel very comfortable being out and about without a hat on. Now, how long does it take for the hair to grow back? Well, it's like planting seeds. It takes about 3 months for the hair to start growing. And then as those seeds begin to grow, the hair grows through growth cycles. Only about a third of our hair is growing at one time. And it goes through phases where one part grows, more part grows, and about a third of our hair is growing at a given time. So to go through that whole life cycle, to have all the hair follicles that we planted start to grow their new hair, it takes about 12 to 14 months to see the final result.